Hi, I'm Stuart Mader, and this is 21 Days of Wiki Adoption. Today's topic, documentation. Whenever you open a new laptop, cell phone, or digital camera, or just about any other product, you'll often get a user's guide. You'll get some documentation. Here's an example user's guide for the new MacBook Air. Now, whether or not you decide to deliver documentation in print, like this, or electronically, a wiki can be a great way to create it. Just set up a space in your wiki, same as you might do for meeting management, agendas and minutes and so forth, or project management, but use the homepage of that wiki to organize the structure of your documentation. In other words, keep a table of contents there, and then link to pages where you write the actual content. What's great about a wiki is if you have a group writing that content, anybody can access that wiki and write content, and anybody else in that group can immediately see, edit, and update that content to get it ready. Then, once you're ready to distribute the content, if you're going to do it in print, you can easily export content out of the wiki in standard formats like XML and bring that into page layout and publishing software. You can also deliver your content online. You might decide to just export a PDF file from your wiki and distribute that via your website. One more advanced thing you can do, if you've already got all that content for documentation in the wiki, is actually let people go right to the wiki and see the documentation and maybe even edit it. If you do that, you'll need to have somebody from the team working on that product to moderate and monitor the wiki to make sure that content people add is factually accurate and spelling and punctuation errors are taken care of and so forth. What companies who've done this have found is customers of their products are often eager to help write documentation this way, and documentation that has a large community around it can often be much more up-to-date and comprehensive than documentation that's written once when the product is created and then left in a static form. So the bottom line is, a wiki can be a great tool to use when creating content, either whether you're going to publish it in print or electronic. And if you decide to do it electronically, the wiki can even be a great hub to create a community that helps grow your documentation over time.